Hello, I'm back again, and we're going to explain to you number 6.3, number 73 from 6.3, okay? So please watch. Alright, so you guys, again, resultant force is actually a vector that's created because of two forces. The pictures are already given to you. It looks like this, right? And this goes this way, and we have one that goes this way. And how many degrees? Negative 45 degrees, okay? Negative 45 degrees here, okay? And we have another one that goes this way, and this one is 2,000 here. 2,000 newtons, right? That's force, okay? And this guy is only 900 newtons, okay? And this guy is at an angle of 30 degrees, okay? But what happens when we actually combine these forces together? We get a resultant. And our resultant, you guys, it's going to be where, do you think? The resultant is going to be somewhere over here somewhere, okay? But we're going to actually prove that, okay? Resultant is going to be this, okay? And we're going to have two vectors here. We have vector u. We'll call this guy u. We'll call this guy v. Okay, but like everything, so u plus v is going to be the resultant vector. Or u plus v is going to equal r, okay? And I guarantee it's going to be somewhere here somewhere. Think about it when you're adding these together, okay? What else? This guy's going to be V, but it also has a vertical and a horizontal component, and so does this guy. He has a vertical and a horizontal component. Okay, so let's actually find those horizontal and vertical components. Okay, and just letting you know, the resultant vector. Remember, the resultant vector is going to be the addition of the horizontal components and the vertical components in each of these slots here. Okay, those are the horizontal vertical components of the resultant vector. Okay, let's find, so you guys, let's find for u, okay, for vector u, okay, let's find the horizontal and vertical. That's the horizontal and that's the vertical. This is 900, so again, it's going to be the same kind of thing. It's going to be 900 cosine of negative 45 degrees, okay? And a vertical component is going to be 900 sine of negative 45 degrees. And for our vector v, the horizontal component, and vertical component is going to be what? 2,000, x here, okay? Horizontal is going to be 2,000 cos, 30 degrees, right? And it's going to be 2,000 sine 30 degrees for the vertical component, okay? And when I calculate that, you guys, we should know this without a calculator. This one should be 900 root 2 over 2. This one's going to be negative 900 root 2 over 2. This one is going to be 2,000 root 3, so 2,000 root 3 over 2, and this one is going to be 1,000 simply. All right? And you guys remember, u plus v equals our resultant vector. So what do? We add u plus v. It's going to equal, okay? It's going to equal this guy, this u of x plus v of x, and this is going to be u of y plus v of y, okay? Add it together in your calculators, and you guys, that's what we do for this guy, okay? But now, they asked you for two things. They asked you for the magnitude, they asked you for the magnitude, okay? In which case, here's what you do. You take the square root of whatever the values were, and I've already calculated. Make sure you check with me, okay? So what I've got for these is this, 2,368.4 and 363.6. Make sure you check that. Check it. Don't just believe me, because then you're not going to know whether you can do it alone, okay? So you guys, here, all I do is I take these values and I square it, because I know how to find the magnitude of everything, of any vector, and that's going to equal about 2396.15. And since this is my new vector, I can also find the angle. So tangent of theta, remember, is equal to b over a. So that means our theta is equal to our tangent of our BA. So our B is 363.6. Our A is 2368.4. Okay? And when I solve that, I get 8.7 degrees. And that tells me a lot of things, you guys. This tells me that I have this, my resultant vector is only 8.7 degrees. That means 8.7 degrees. It goes like this. And it's got a magnitude of 2396.15 at 8.7 degrees. Okay? Hopefully you understood that. Please ask me questions if you have any, okay? Bye!